Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a important topic in property law, Doctrine of Accumulation. It deals with the section 17 and 18. Before we dealing with the introduction, exception, origin, purpose, I want to clarify the Doctrine of Accumulation with giving a simple example. Suppose think A has a house given rent to B and A says in his will or trust, save the rent from my property for the rest of 15 years and then give it to my grandson. It is acceptable? No, right? That says doctrine of accumulation. Accumulation means instead of distributing it to beneficiary, save income for a certain period of time. Certain period of time means not a 20, 25, 15 years. How much years we can accumulate it, I will explain in next slide. Doctrine of accumulation started with the famous case law Thelusan versus Woodford. If examiner will ask the question of doctrine of accumulation, you have to write this case law. Because of this case law, doctrine of accumulation emerged. In this case law, the facts are the Thelusan said in his will that the income from his property should be saved for a generation. No one could use it until all his children and grandchildren had died. He wanted to accumulate income for 200 years. Parliament quickly passed a new law called Thelusan Act, also known as the Accumulation Act, and set a certain period of time to accumulate income from the property. If we see doctrine in Indian law, section 17 and section 187 of the Transfer of Property Act and Indian Succession Act deals with the doctrine of accumulation. According to these law, income can be accumulated only for the lifetime of the transferor or 18 years from the date of the transfer. I will simplify by giving a simple example. Mr. Sharma, in his will, he says that save it for 25 years and then give it to my son. It is a void because either of the condition will not fulfilling. Exceptions for this doctrine. The first one is to pay off debts. If income is being saved to clear debts, it's allowed because paying debts is a legal and a moral duty. If it's extended beyond the 18 years, then also it is valid and acceptable. Second one is to raise a portion for a children. For children, education, marriage, dowry, it can valid. Third one is during minority. And fourth one is a charitable or a religious purpose. If you like my video and my class, please do subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.